Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 16.
Math practice number 16. Today we're going to play a game from Beast Academy that we just learned about today. Fuzz on your head. We're going to play a little game from Beast Academy that we just learned today, and where I have some clues for a shape, and you are going to try to draw them, but there's certain words I can't say. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. This is a shape. It has more sides than a triangle, but fewer sides than a pentagon.
Is that it?
No, I might say more, but do you have a guess? It has more sides than a triangle and fewer sides than a pentagon. Okay, so what shape have you drawn?
A square.
A square! Hey, you guessed right. It could have been a quadrilateral, but it was a square. I wasn't allowed to say quadrilateral, or four, or equal, or right. Okay? What does right mean? Why couldn't I say right?
The right angle.
The right angles. Okay. You ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, this is a pretty fun game, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That was a good guess. Okay, here we go. Whoa, okay. This is a shape, and it has fewer sides than a quadrilateral. So what would you guess would be a kind of shape here? Alright, so what have you drawn?
An isosceles right triangle.
Isosceles right triangle. Did you see my cards ahead of time?
Yeah.
You did see my cards ahead of time? Okay, well I'm going to shuffle them up a little bit so you can't see. Isosceles right triangle. You sneaker? Were you being sneaky? Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what this one is?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, Mr. Sneaker. Okay, alright, one last one. So you're not so sneaky. Okay, this is a shape, but it doesn't have any number of sides. You might think it has lots and lots and lots of sides, like infinitely many sides. And when you look around at things in the sky, sometimes you see the shape a lot when you look up in the sky. All right, what do you think? What do you see in the sky that looks like that?
The moon.
The moon. Okay, good guess, but nope. Nope. It's not a moon, or that shape is called a crescent, actually. That's a good guess. But what other shapes do you see when you look up in the sky and they have lots and lots, and or it has no sides? Sometimes you see this shape when you're eating dinner. Sometimes you see this shape when you look at the tires on a car. Sometimes you see this shape when you... Oh, what shape is that?
A circle.
A circle! Very good. You want to do one more, or do you want to call that a day?
We can do one more.
You want to do one more? Okay. Okay, here we go. This is a shape that has fewer sides than a square. And each side has a... Nope, I wasn't allowed to say side. It has fewer sides than a square, so I already broke the rule. But anyway, let's just keep going. A square has more of these, a pentagon has more of these. This shape has fewer than a square, so what do you think? Okay, what shape is that?
Triangle.
Okay. Yep, getting close. And this is a special one of those.
Well, that's...
What sort of special ones of those things can you have?
It has an equilateral triangle.
Draw it.
I did.
Draw an equilateral triangle. What's special about an equilateral triangle?
All three sides are the same.
Yeah, go ahead, draw it. Do you need to erase first?
Yeah.
Okay.
looks pretty close.
Pretty close. Okay, good job. That was a fun game, except for the Mr. Sneaker in the beginning, who saw the clues. Okay, grab 'em. All right, good job. Good job, sweetie pie. High five.